Here's how to see your account history on Instagram. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and tap on the profile button at the bottom right. After you've done that, tap on the three lines at the very top right. And from here, all we need to do is tap on midway down where it says your activity. Once we're in here, the first thing that you can check is if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can see account history at the very bottom. Tap on that. This will be big changes to your account, like updates to your bio or website or anything like that, your name, privacy, etc. However, if you're looking for a different type of history, you can also go back and tap on recent searches at the very bottom to see any of your recent searches. You can also see any reels that you have watched or videos that you have watched if you have liked or commented on them by scrolling up and tapping on likes. You'll be able to see everything that you have liked, including all of those posts, the photos, and the reels. Now you can also go back and tap on comments as well. If you have commented on it, you can go back and see it on there. Now you can also go back through here and you can go to, for instance, archived or recently deleted. You'll be able to see all of your activity and history right in here.